All, welcome to Madhusmita Bujarbarwa's channel. This video is from class 12 IP unit number 4 societal impacts topic net and communication etiquette. Here I'll explain you what is etiquette, what is netiquette and what are the rules to follow netiquettes. First, what is etiquette? The dictionary meaning of etiquette is good behavior or code of polite behavior. In simple words, manner. Then, what is netiquette? Net and communication etiquette is known as internet etiquette or digital or simply netiquette. If we compare etiquette and netiquette, then what do we find? Etiquette is a code of polite behavior in the society. It's showing respect for yourself and everyone else in your little corner of the planet. Yes, we are human beings. We have to respect each other. We are living in a society, so we have to respect each other. When you are talking to any person, maybe elder, maybe younger, you have to follow some rules. You have to follow some manners. Same as netiquette is a good behavior on the internet or set of rules for acceptable online behavior. These are the rules when you are using internet or when you are online. Netiquette includes many aspects of internet such as online chat, email, social media, website, comments, etc. Means this netiquette includes all the aspects of internet. Maybe you are chatting with any person, maybe you are giving emails, maybe you are using social media, maybe you are using any website, or you are giving any comment to any photos or any chat. Then you have to follow some rules. And to follow some rules, this called the netiquette, you have some netiquette rules. Means good conduct of in the internet, how you have to do a polite behavior in the internet. Here I will explain number wise. First you can see, do not use offensive language. No potty mouth, watch your language, never spamming others. Spam means unwanted electronic masses, sending a message over and over. First one, when you are commenting anyone or you are writing online, don't use any offensive language. It may be harmful for you. Then never give the message over message to anyone. If someone give you continuously mailing you, then you also irritate. Then the other person may be irritated, so don't use this type of word. Then avoid posting offensive comment online. Don't troll. Yes, no need to troll anyone, it may be hurt someone. So don't troll anyone and avoid overuse of emojis. Nowadays we are using emojis. Don't use over. Sometime it may be used, but don't use in every sentence. Don't use emojis. Then see, when you are chatting, when you are talking online, then what happened? You are not talking verbally. This is a writing communication. And writing communication, you can't show the emotion. So, if you are using all capital letters, in writing, if you are writing in all capital letters, it means you were shouting. And no one likes shouting. If you were talk softly, then your parents, your teacher, your friends, no one likes you. So don't use all capital letters when you are giving any comment or any chat. Then fourth number is respect other privacy. Keeps personal stories personal. Now what is the meaning of this? Respect other privacy. I will give one example. Suppose you want to post a photo, and in that photo you and your friends are there, and you want to share in maybe in the WhatsApp or maybe in the Facebook account. But in that photo your friends are also there. Maybe they don't like to share that photo. So if you want to post that photo in your Facebook account, before posting you take permission from your friends. If they allow, then you can post it. Otherwise, without taking permission, don't post it. Maybe they don't like it. Maybe there's a personal photo for them. So you respect the privacy for others also. Then, so good sportsmanship when you are playing any online game, whether you win or whether you lose. See, when you were playing online, all the members, you don't know all the members. If you were lost or if you won, please maintain the courtesy and maintain the good behavior of a sportsman. Then it will show that you were from a good background. Your family background is good. Then the seventh one, stay on the topic. Stick to the topic when posting in online and when you are commenting on photos or the video in the YouTube or the Facebook. See, sometime you were commenting negatively and sometime again you were commenting positively. Means you are not steady with your comment. Whatever you give, and don't use any negative comment because it may be affect you. So when you are online, stick to one comment only. Don't change your comment again and again. Then the next one, don't spread fake and false information. Don't steal other contents or photos from web. Ask for permission from the owner. Give credit where credit is due. Thanks others who help you online. If you are taking anything from any person online, then give credit to that person. And always say thank you if you are taking any help from anyone. And if you know if anyone asks any question, if you know the answer, then you help that person. Otherwise, politely you say you don't know the answer. Don't say you don't know the answer. Don't underestimate the person. It may affect your relationship. So, follow all this good etiquette when you are using internet. Clear? Hope you understand all the topic. And if you like this, if it is helpful for you, then like, comment and subscribe my channel.